So after a long period, we are meeting. So please introduce yourself, Tanuja.
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And currently, I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And it's been more than 5 years that I'm working in this industry. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube in my free time. And my interests are I love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
I'm Tanya Singh, joining you from Pink City, Jaipur. I'm a homemaker. My hobby is watching good movies and doing conversation. Yes, that's all about me.
Oh, so you love watching movies. So, have you seen any recent movie?
Recently, I watched one web series. Name was Good Luck.
Web series. Oh, yes.
Hmm.
How it was?
It is it was very good story of that web series. I think everybody should watch that web series. Good Luck. I think it has 4 seasons.
Hmm.
It's a typical middle class family story.
Okay, by the way, I like drama type stories, so I will watch.
So recently, any movie, any web series did you watch?
Yeah, I think I watched Kahani 2. I suddenly watched that movie on YouTube
Vidya
without
Balan.
searching.
Vidya
Yeah,
Balan.
yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Could
that was
you
also nice movie.
explore the story? Could you explore the story little bit?
Yeah, so she was a teacher. She was a teacher. Vidya Balan was teacher in one of the school. Not a teacher. She was doing some other work in a school. So there was a small girl. So she was always used to see upset only. So Vidya Balan always looked her that she is upset. So I should find out how why she is so upset. And she was around 4 years or 5 years old girl only, and somehow she found that why she is so upset, and every day she used to look like upset and sleepy.
Hmm.
So somehow she found that her uncle, uh, the child's
Hmm.
uncle, was doing the bad thing with her, like
Hmm.
misuse or something kind of. So so she went her house like a coaching teacher, and she explored and gathered some evidence also, and somehow she
Hmm.
saved her girl from her uncle. So that was a nice story actually. I'm
He
not
was
able
trying to
to.
molest. He was trying to molest that small girl.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
And after that, she adopted that girl, and she helped her in every possible way. So
So do you think this story, nowadays we are reading these kind of news every day, like they are doing with small girls, adult girls, some other girls. So what do
hmm
you think? Like after watching these kind of movies, people can educate what is, happening in their society.
to be honest, still people are not understand, because every day when you will see the news or in a newspaper, so you will find this kind of news only, like rape cases
Hmm.
and molestation and all. But still, I don't know why people are not afraid of doing these activities. Maybe because there is, in our India, there is no strict law, so people
Hmm.
just do that kind of crime, and they know that judiciary system will not do anything to them. They will keep
Hmm.
you in the jail for few days or few months only, and after that you are free. That's it.
Hmm. According
So
to you, law should be strict and there should be harsh
yes,
punishment for the culprit.
yes, exactly. And there is no women safety as well in our India especially.
And what about male safety?
And now the recent topic is male safety, to be honest. But we women are facing this kind of challenges for since very long time, and now the women have started to give their opinion and to take a action against her, whatever the problem they are facing, any kind of violation or domestic violation, so she is taking action. So that's why men are afraid, and it is again another issue.
Yeah, there are so many cases. Every day we are reading in the newspaper and television also. And we are also reading some celebrity news. They are taking divorce. and after that their wives are demanding for alimony. So what do you think?
Yes.
Like
I
there
would
is a
say that
famous cricketer, Yuzvendra Chahal. Yes.
Chahal, yeah. Yeah, so women are just saying that if you can take dowry, so we can take what can I say?
Alimony.
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 Yeah.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
both the things are totally different, and we can't compare those things. But people are still comparing. Like women are
Hmm.
taking women, like men are taking dowries, and you are taking alimony. I think like people are demanding a lot of money as as the name of alimony, especially the women. So I don't think it is the correct way. You
Hmm.
are asking for crore and lakhs and crores, and
Hmm.
how do you expect
Hmm.
that men can give you that amount of money just for the name of divorce?
Hmm. That's why they are called, some women gold digger.
Yes, and because of that one or two women, we are also responsible for that.
Hmm.
Like that.
Hmm. But nowadays, I think it's common. Like their marriage is like sometimes they are spending only 1 year, 2 year. After that, they are demanding, for they want divorce, and the wife want a good, very large amount of money in the form of alimony. Then she was also doing some, good work. She's earning, high pay salary, but she also want.
Yes, yes.
I observed in some cases they are
So
exploiting
now
men also.
nowadays, marriage is scary, we can say.
Do you
Even
also think marriage life is
I
scary?
personally,
Hmm.
yeah, even personally, sometimes I believe that when I am thinking about my personal like marriage, so all the things comes up, and I feel like whether all the things will go smoothly or not. But then I make my mind like if I am good and I am honest with everything, so definitely everything will be fine. Everything will be good only. So
Hmm.
this is the way. This is the way we
Hmm.
can give good to other people, and other people will, do the good for you as well. So I feel
Hmm.
that in that way. But yeah, when we see all the news regarding this thing, so that time I feel sometimes yes,
Hmm.
marriage is scary.
When we are watching our parents' successful married life, sometimes we are thinking, okay, I will, find, suitable groom for me or not. These kind of questions, did you also find in your mind?
Yes, yes, but in the previous era, the marriage was like commitment for the long life
Hmm.
commitment. But if we talk about this generation, so uh, people just think if you will take a divorce, so I will go for another one. So this is a very
Hmm.
common thing.
They
So they
have
are not
choices.
afraid. Yeah,
They
they
have
have a
choices.
lot of choice. Yes, they
Hmm.
have the lot
Hmm.
of choice. If you will leave me and you will give me divorce, so I can be with anyone else as well.
But
But in our parents with the
ancient time like men have choices, but women have no choices. But nowadays, both genders have choices.
yeah,
So
so
they are
that's
using
why
their rights.
yeah, that's why they are not taking they are not thinking about that taking a divorce is a bit difficult choice. No, they don't even care about if we are not if we are not living a good life and we are not able to manage both the things, so they are personally taking the divorce and all because they feel that I can live alone or I can live with other people. So
Do you also think this kind of mindset is also influenced by Western culture?
yeah, somewhere yes. And the main thing is that, as I already mentioned, that now women got the right to speak up. So
Hmm.
this is the main reason of divorce, I can say, because
Hmm.
in the previous time or in ancient time,
Sometimes
we
they
women
are, sometimes they are spreading their wings unnecessarily.
yes, but we got the rights for a good purpose. But most of the women are taking an advantage and they are misusing actually.
Hmm.
As I already mentioned, the recent case.
If couples are not living happily, sometimes they are taking, divorce. It's a good decision, but in mostly mostly cases I'm observing, like women don't want that their child should meet their father. They are misusing their powers.
Could you repeat? I think I missed it.
I'm saying, like in the divorce cases, if your child is like 10 years old, 5 years old, 12, 13, 14, then
Mm-hmm.
law is giving, equal rights. And women can always can take care their child, because law always consider that mother is a good, parent. She will be a good parent, so she can, take care their child. And they are also giving, equal rights to the father, and they are saying you can also meet your children on Saturday, Sunday, weekly or weekly off. But in some cases, like his wife, their wife don't want that my husband should meet their children.
This is the main issue actually, because if we talk about equality in everything, then it should be here also. So
Because
at
on
least
the side,
you
I
have,
think they have proper, they have, equal rights,
yes,
but
yes,
they
yes.
are
At
misused.
least they are getting time to see their kids only on weekends only. But you your kids are with you only. So think
Hmm.
about the man, how they
Hmm.
how he is living without kids,
Hmm. Because,
without their
in the
kids.
previous case, we observed that lady don't want that her husband meet their son, so she sent her, baby boy in the hostel, and he was
Hmm.
giving a good, amount for the upbringing of their son, but he never, meet their son after divorce case. So there should be, some implementation in the law.
Yes, yes. I think sometimes it depends on us, every individual's responsibility to take care of things carefully and like with the good intention. And the secondary part is always like it should be the good laws in our
Mm.
system so that people can understand the things.
There are so many women cell. There are so many NGO who are working for welfare for the girl child, women education. Do you also think now it is the right time? There should be, men cell and some NGO who should work for men.
Yeah, I think we both should have get the right equality for everything in every field, every sector, everywhere. Why we always talk about women empowerment? I think if you
Mm.
are treating them equally, so it should be the equal right for both of them in everything.
Suppose you are the boss of your firm, okay, and you have full support and rights, and there are some, female employees and some males also. So, what kind of safety do you want to give that female employees if they are working in the night shifts?
Yes. So first, like we should give the proper education to both of them, like
Hmm.
male and female both, so that they can understand the things clearly. It's not always men, but we should give the equal things to both of them. And
Hmm.
women should feel safe, not about the not in the night shift, even in the day shift also.
Hmm.
She should feel safe in your team. And the
Hmm.
secondary thing, if she is working in the night shift, so it's your responsibility that to provide the good transportation and all.
Hmm.
Like in our
Hmm.
previous company, it was like we had the cab facility. So
Hmm.
when we were the girl in that cab and some other male, so there was one guard as for
Hmm.
safety purpose.
Mostly
Like,
in Noida and Delhi, they are providing cab and good transportation for the female employee.
yes, and if in that cave both are present, like male and female, so one guard will be there. So it
Hmm.
was like that facility. So we can
Hmm.
implement like this.
And if like one girl is complaining, like some guy is misbehaving, and some other things, so what kind of action will you take? for that employee, male employee?
Yeah, so first we can give first we can suggest them, if she had given any name, so we can ask personally, like if she is saying it correctly or not. And if you feel
Hmm.
the same things, or if it is happening twice and thrice, so definitely you should take an action. And
Hmm.
maybe you can what can I say, you can fire up, or you can take
Hmm.
against any kind of strict action against him.
Hmm. Immediately you will not fire that person. First you will do investigation, and after the
Investigation, yes.
report you will fire. Hmm.
So how
Because
can you
in some,
identify that women are saying correct
yes, sometimes they are
until you
misusing
don't
their.
have evidence?
Yes. But but in some cases, if a woman is, giving some false blames, that time immediately they are, suspended that person, they are fired that person in some cases. But I think first they should do investigation, proper investigation, fair investigation.
Hmm.
After that,
Yes.
they should take action. Hmm.
And in company, they are providing some kind of trainings also, especially to women and men both.
Hmm.
We call it post training in our company, not in our company, like in every company. So
Hmm.
they will tell you each and everything about how you can take an action, how you can tell to your manager if you are facing any kind of harassment and all. So how
Hmm.
you can proceed with that. So this kind
Hmm.
of things are already in workplace.
Hmm. Anything else you want to add in this conversation?
Not really.
Okay, now we should wrap up this session. Okay,
Oh, sure. Thank you so much.
great.